Hello guys, welcome to this new video in which we're going to start talking about, or we are going to do this activity about troubleshooting single area OSPFv2. And let's go and see this background. So in this activity you will troubleshoot OSPF routing issues using ping and show commands to identify errors in the network configuration. Okay, so we are going to do that. Let's see if we can ping PC. Let's try to ping PC2 from PC1 and see what happens. Let's go to the command prompt, ping, ping. Let's ping PC2 and see what happens when we ping PC2. Timeout. Okay, so we are able to ping PC2. Let's see if we are able to ping PC3 then. Okay, let's copy that, go here and ping again. And as you can see right here, destination unreachable, so we cannot ping PC3. So let's see what's going on here. So let's go here on router. This is router 1. Show IP OSPF neighbor. And if you can see right here, we can only find one neighbor. Let's make it this bigger, so you can see we only have one neighbor here, and that's neighbor, I believe this is router 2. So we do not have router 3 as a neighbor, so we have to go and take a look why that's not a neighbor. Okay, so what we could do is first do a show. Let's show run and see what we can find here. Okay, let's see, and we can let's see, 172.16.10.4. I don't think that's, yep, so that's the wrong network that we are advertising on this router 1. So what we have to do is advertise. You have to copy that, and we have to advertise 192.168.10.4 network, and we also have to delete that network because it is not working, right? So let's go to config terminal, not IP, so router OSPF, I believe it's 1, and let's do no, space that there. Oops, that's not it. Let's go ahead and copy this, and let's paste it right here. And now we have to advertise the correct network, which is 192.168.10.4, and that 10.4 okay, it's not here, so let's just, it won't let us copy, so that 10.4, let's see if I remember that. So network 192.168.10.4 network, and the wildcard mask is going to be 30, so it's going to be 0.0.0.3, and the area is 0. And here it is. Now we should be able to ping PC3, I believe. Let's see if we are able to ping PC3 now. And still says destination unreachable. So let me see. Let's try pinging it again. Let's see what we come up. So request timeout, and here we go. Now we were able to ping, and that was because we have to wait a couple seconds for OSPF to converge, or to add that to the routing table. And now it was added to the routing table, and now we are able to ping PC3, right? Let's see again. There you go. So we are able to ping PC3 and PC2 from PC1. So now let's see, we are able to ping PC3 from PC2. So let's copy this. Let's go to PC2. Ping. So we are able to ping that, so that's good. Let's see what else. So since we are able to ping all of that, let's see, we are able to ping for PC3 from PC1. They're both able to ping each other. So let's see, let's go to router 2, see if we find anything else. Enable, show IP, OSPF, and neighbor. And we have 2 neighbors. Let's go to router 3 and see if we can have other neighbors too. Enable, not enable view, just enable. Show IP, OSPF, neighbor. And we have all the neighbors, so it looks like everything is working. Let's see if I can ping from PC3 to PC2, which we should be. I don't see why not. Ping PC2. And you see we are able to pin everything now. That's really good. Let's take a look at router 3, show run. So the IP OSPF hello in turbo is 20 on here. Let's see if it is the same on router 2. Show run. And it's not the same on this interface. Does not have that IP in turbo. So what we have to do is copy that and let's turn that off because that could cause problems. Let's do a config t router OSPF 1. Let's do a no. Paste it there. No. Let me see. Hello. Let's see. Let's see how we can turn this off. Default listen, exit, config, stay neighbor. No defaults, passive. Let's go to this interface and see if we can just turn it off from there. I believe it's from the interface that we have to do it. Exit, interface, and that interface is this one right here. Copy, paste, and now let's turn it off. This hello intervals. Paste it there. Right, so let's do a no. Okay, so now this interval should not be an issue anymore. Let's go to show run to make sure that it's not there anymore. And as you can see, it is not there anymore, so that's not going to cause a problem anymore. And as you can see, when I turned that off, we were able to load that new OSPF routing table. Let's do a show IP route, and you can see that we have other routes there. I believe let's do a OSPF, and we have 0, 0, and OSPF0 as well there. Let's go to router 1 and do the same there too. Let's end it. Show IP route OSPF. And we have this one and this one and this one. Let's see on router 2. So show IP route OSPF. And here is good. Let's do a show IP route. And we have a static route there. So we have to fix that. And to fix that, we have to do a default information originate. Okay, because we have an static route on here, and we got a IP or not IP router OSPF1, and let's do a default originate information originate. That's good. And that's right. And now let's go to router 1. Show IP, just show IP route. Okay, so that's good. This should be working now. And as you can see, we also added that static that wasn't there before to router 2, and this one should be also, it should also show it on router 3 as well. Show IP route, and here it is showing because we added that static route to this one of 0.0.0, and the subnet or the wildcast mask, whatever you want to call it, either way is also 0.